Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to use the new Apple Intelligence writing tools on your iPhone in iOS 18.1 and later. Let's get into the method. You'll need iOS 18.1 and Apple Intelligence enabled to use this feature, but all you need to do is type out the text you want to use the writing tools on. This could be in an email, for example, but it should work anywhere with any text you can highlight. You now need to select the text you want to use, so long press on it and then drag the handles to ensure it's all selected. If the menu doesn't appear, tap once on the text, but from the menu you need to choose Writing Tools. At the bottom of the screen, all of the writing tools will appear. You can proofread the text, rewrite it, or choose to change it to one of the themes. You can also change the format of the text, such as using a summary list. Whichever writing tool you use, the next step will be the same. A preview will appear at the bottom of the screen, and you can check out the new text. You can then copy this text, or replace the original text with it. That's how to use the new Apple Intelligence writing tools on your iPhone in iOS 18.1 and later. Click the card on screen now to watch a video of mine showing you 10 easy ways to speed up your iPhone or iPad. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.